like, so like when there was an AI winter, like the researches in AI stopped. Okay, there were no further researches which was going on, and then like the investors, the people, the scientists, so the people who invest means the people who gives money for the researchers. So they feared that like whatever we are thinking that AI will help us, it not exactly giving us the result. Okay, supposingly now we use Alexa, like Zomato navigation apps and then robots. But in those era, like in 1980s or 1990s, at that period of time when the AI winter happened, like the researchers were not exactly what they are thinking. They are using normal coding, normal getting output, but not exactly what how we found now. So basically those who used to spend money, they stopped spending money. They said no, we are not going to our spend our money for research in AI is not going to be helpful. So that is what it is written. Can you tell me the third point what you have written?
For AI winter,
Huh.
the term AI winter reflects the cold reception the field received from both investors and the scientific community.
That simply means like the fear or the the fear of not investing in proper area, that is AI. Or the scientist also like no, the exactly what we are looking for, it's not coming through AI. And the people also, they are not using AI in our day-to-day life, because like some places like in India or in Asian place, even computers were very rare. So people don't have personal computers like or laptops like now what we have. So the people also feared that okay, the AI is not going to help us. So that was what it is in AI winter. Can you repeat the first point what you have written?
Okay. For AI winter, AI winters occurred when early promises intelligence failed to materialize, leading to widespread disappointment.
It is basically saying that AI, like initially what AI was used to actually help people to widespread, how more people like spread. Okay, widely it spreads, how more people can come and use it. But then it didn't happen what it was expected. So that is basically in three lines. It is basically the same thing which is repeated in a different manner. Okay. What is AI Spring?
And
Just read out
AI,
only one line.
oh, okay. And AI Spring, like only one point. Okay. And AI Spring refers to a period of renewed, renewed interest, progress in artificial intelligence research.
So AI Spring, it says like AI Spring is referred to the time when there was lot of progress, lot of researches, new ideas, new innovation, new discoveries were happening in AI. Okay, like what happened, we were starting to use AI. Like initially what we are using, we as computers, where we used to do mathematical calculations or remember some words. After that, Alan Turing came, he made computers smart. Then what happens, then little bit researches were going on, like small chatbots or something, like Elisa or someone, yeah, Elisa. So she was using, but then what happened, it suddenly stopped, which is known as AI winter. Like researchers or scientists thought that whatever we want from AI, we are not getting it. Okay. So then again, what happened? Again, then more researches happened. Then some robots came. Then chess, we can play games through AI. And then from there, there's a spring means sudden increase in the use of AI. We can see a lot of changes, like now we have GPTs, chat GPTs, our Alexa, Amazon Prime, even from everything in the phone, is now a smartphone, because everything almost uses AI or machine learning or deep learning or neural network. Okay, even the self-driving cars also came. Even robots went to space, and then the spaceships, computers, satellites, everything from medical to education. Like now we are talking in what to say, in Zoom. Okay, it is also a kind of a part of AI only. Okay, so whatever I'm saying, you can get the subtitles there also. There is facilities in Google Meet, so we will get the subtitles also. Okay, and then whenever we will end the meeting, it will give us a summary, like what I have taught you in the Google. Okay, or in what I have taught you in the Meet, we can get it through AI in our Zoom only. So everywhere, like whatever we are using, AI is there. So that is known as spring. Like suddenly all the researchers and growths came. Okay, understood. So next, finish what you're eating.
Yeah.
Oh, finished. Okay, next line. What you have written? Next point.
Breakthroughs in machine learning, such as deep learning and neural networks, have driven
Okay,
recent
so okay,
spring.
I understood. I'll simplify those words. Words are very difficult to used. You have to know how to use ChatGPT. Okay, I'll teach you today how exactly what you want you can get from ChatGPT. So it is, I told you already, like after, like in spring what happened, we use machine learning. Even more than machine learning is called deep learning. Okay, so advancements for neural network came, fuzzy logic came, expert system, advancements in expert system came. We have chatbots which helps us our task. We have Siri, we have Alexa, we have robots, we have anything from cleaning to going out. Everything just came up. Okay, that is what it is written in the second point. Okay, third point.
This renewed this renewed I don't know what that says.
I cannot read from here actually. So you have to read out for me so that I can make you understand what's written.
Moon.
Can you spell it out?
I can't read my own handwriting.
You cannot read your own handwriting. See,
Because
see, see.
yesterday I did it yesterday because I thought it was close, but so I did it really quickly.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. No worries.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
basically now you understand what is AI spring and AI winter, right?
yeah.
Can you tell me in your own words what you understood? Leave that what you have written, because you yourself cannot understand it. So what you understood, like by AI winter and AI spring, tell me.
Like AI winter is like when artificial intelligence failed to um materialize.
I don't need the definition. I don't need the definition. What you understood, just that you explain to me. You don't have to read out from your notes. Anything
Yeah,
which you understand. What do you understand by AI winter? What happened in AI winter?
like it was so AI winter is a um,
Researches. What happened to research? It started or it stopped or it's progressing in winter.
it, it started.
Three options. AI in AI winter, researchers began to number one start, number two stopped or failed, number three it progressed more.
Oh,
Which one?
it started.
No.
Wait, what were the two options?
Sorry?
What were the other two options?
The first option, again, I'm repeating. In AI winter, researches in AI, number one, started. Number two, stopped and slash failed. Number three, it progressed.
Stopped or failed.
So what happened in AI winter? AI researchers stopped or failed. Understood now what happened in AI research? Sorry,
Yeah.
AI winter. Okay, now tell me about AI spring. In the researchers, sorry, AI spring means when researches in AI boomed or started. Number two, it progressed more suddenly. Number three, it failed. First is boomed or started. Number second, it progressed more. Number three, it stopped or failed. AI winter, AI spring.
It progressed.
Yes, correct. See, AI was already there only. It started in 1930s. Okay, 1930s it started. But what happened? The pace was like this. It was like this. Again, it stopped. No more researches. Then again, it's little bit started. It's going on, going. Suddenly, it has increased, and sudden increase was AI Spring. It was going on, but once AI winter, it has stopped or failed. It went a little bit down. Again, it started researching, and again, it went up like this. That peak point is called AI Spring. Okay, understood.
Kind of.
Wait, I'm showing you in whiteboard.
Okay. Mm. Mm. Let's see.
Okay. We don't need this. Wait. Wait. Give me 1 second, okay? Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So what happened is here it started around 1930s. Okay. Oh God, my handwriting. Don't mind my handwriting. Okay, I'm using this for the first time in year. So what happens? See, this is also an example of AI. See, earlier we used to have whiteboards. We used to have chalks and markers, and we used to write in the board. So now AI, through AI, I'm just teaching you in the Zoom meet. So in 1930, it started. It's 1930. Okay. The AI researches were going on, going on, going on, and suddenly it stopped, and it's went down. Okay. This is called AI winter. What is it called?
AI winter.
AI winter.
So like when it went down, it was called AI winter.
Yes, the graph is now down. Then again, after some winter is going, less researches were going on, then again the researches started, okay, like this. It started, okay. And then we can say suddenly it has increased, and then it's going on there. So this, from this point, suddenly it has increased to this point. So this point is known as AI spring.
So like the top point.
Yes, the top one. Okay. Oh, I have to get a hang of this one. Okay. Smart drawing. Yes, I'll use the smart drawing. Okay, it's for basic shapes. Fine. And then this, after this, in 2010 or 2000, like this. Okay, 2000. Around 2010 onwards. Oh, what's wrong? Pen. No, I need the smart drawing. Okay. So here what happens in like after AI Spring in 2010 or something like that, we will get the Chat GPTs, the Gemini, the like Netflix, Amazon. It was there earlier, but in after AI Spring, certainly from this point, you can see from this point directly it's rising up. Suddenly the researchers have started. Okay, got it? What is AI winter and AI spring?
Yeah, so AI winter is when like it goes down, and AI
Wait,
spring is when it goes up.
yes, correct. So what happens in, suppose we have a graph. Wait. Suppose we have a graph like this, it's going on in a straight line. When it goes down, that is AI winter. Then again it's going up, and then the researchers have little bit started going up. Okay, little bit like this, unevenly it's going up. And suddenly it goes very up, and then from there it continues. So this sudden up is called AI
Spring.
spring. Okay. SP means spring, okay? Don't get confused. And this one is called
AI winter.
AI winter. Understood completely now? Okay. So another thing I want to show you. Suppose we have, this is AI. We have how many branches in AI?
6.
Name.
First it's machine learning.
ML. Machine learning, okay? ML means machine learning. Then
Then it's neural networks.
NN means neural network, okay? Then
Um, robotics.
robotics. Next,
Expert system.
ES for expert system. Okay. Next.
Fuzzy logic.
Next.
Natural language processing.
NLP. Okay. NLP. So in machine learning, now we understood there is another advancements called deep learning. Means more advanced than machine learning. Okay. You make this chart in your copy.
Okay.
Just write down the names so that you can understand. Don't write ML, you write machine learning.
Yeah.
And then you write here deep learning. Okay.
What was ES?
ES is expert system.
Fuzzy logic.
Here another you include computer vision, NLP/computer vision. I'll tell you. Expert system you have written.
Wait.
Then fuzzy logic.
Yeah, I'm on natural language processing.
Wrote natural and then give a slash and says computer vision. Computer CV means computer vision.
Computer vision.
Computer vision. Okay. CV means computer vision. You give natural language processing NLP/computer vision. Okay. You have written DL, deep learning here. Down after machine learning, write deep learning.
Deep
Deep learning.
Done.
Okay. So today you understood. Say, let me see.
I
You have
wrote
made exactly the chart, right? Like this. Ah, very good, very good, very good. So see, today we are going to introduce two more things in AI. Machine learning, you understood, like how we teach machine. But there are some tasks where machine have to do lot and lot of heavy problems, like it has to calculate lot of researches which is going on, like lots. And suppose a person like the Facebook or Instagram, or we have lot crores and crores of people, right? So they have their data. What is data?
information.
Information. So supposingly, let me remove this. You have written, right? Okay, let's remove this one. So suppose in this world there is lots and lots of people. Let's have a wild guess. Suppose 10,000 crore people. Okay. Example, not sure. You don't have to write this. You just understand.
Yeah.
You don't have to write this. You just understand, okay? See, suppose CR, it's not G, it's CR. Okay, 1,000 crore people are there. Okay, 1,000 crore means large number of people. And they all suppose use Facebook. Have you heard about Facebook?
Um,
Facebook. So can you tell me what features Facebook use? What actually happens in Facebook? What exactly is about Facebook?
I don't know, but I've heard it.
Whatever you have heard, do you know?
No, like I only heard of the name Facebook. Like I don't know.
Okay, any social media like Instagram you have heard?
Yeah.
Do you know what happens exactly there? Any idea?
Mm,
Okay, let's understand about Facebook only then. Okay, so in Facebook, what happens? This almost lots and lots of people are having their account. Okay, so in their Facebook account, they give their details like name. Okay, then they give what work they do. Okay, work. Oh God, this is so bad. Cannot write with this. Okay, number two, work. Number three, place from where they belong. Then their pictures. Okay, then if they travel somewhere, the travel destination also. Then they have, supposingly they upload any picture. Okay, any picture. So Facebook will have lots of friends. People in Facebook have their friends, okay, and they also have these informations. So basically, this name, work, place, travel, where they travel, what photos they upload, what videos they upload, what reels they get to see. These are all informations. What we call data. What is information? We call it data. Okay, this lot of informations of these every, see, 10,000 crore people are there or 1,000 crore people are there. So 1,000 itself crore is lot and lot of people. Okay, from there these people we have lots and lots of information like their name, their father's name, or where they go, whom they meet. So whatever pictures they upload, whatever videos they share, whatever comments, you know what is comment? If someone people post something, their friends or family write like, yeah, you are looking good, you're looking not so good. So these all information are stored somewhere, okay, inside a computer. Okay, so when these lots and lots of computer store the information, then we have to process it. That process uses machine learning. Okay, that process use machine learning. Suppose I sometimes we see I want to buy a dress. Okay, I watch this dress on a shop online shopping app. Okay, I saw this watch. I mean, I saw this wish list this dress in a online shopping app. Then when I open the Facebook, I can see similar type of dresses are coming in the advertisement. So how does Facebook know which type of dress you want to buy? Through machine learning. Okay? Through machine learning. So your computer knows almost everything about you. It will have navigation app. So it will know that where are you staying, where are you moving, then which clothes you want to buy. Suppose you want buy some online clothes, so it will have your online clothes history, what you are purchasing. If it's summer, what you want to wear in summer. If it's winter, what you want in winter. Then if you want shoes, if you want socks, if you want hair bands, clips, so every data the computer has. Okay, and then it will do machine learning. and then it will give you suggestions. Okay, if you want to buy this dress or not, if you, these are other two dresses you may also see. So this is what happens in machine learning. But sometimes we need more tough things or more complex things to perform in computer. Suppose these things we want a research lab where lots of high datas are there and the people want to do research on that. So machine learning alone is not sufficient. So we introduced what? Deep learning. What we have? Deep learning. Okay? So more advanced. The computers, earlier it was smart, but now it became more smart. Okay. Then next up we studied about NLP and computer vision. What was that? CV means computer vision. So in NLP, can you tell me what was NLP?
Natural language processing.
What exactly it deals with? What is L in NLP stands for?
Like the language.
Okay, so NLP basically works with language. You can write this up. NLP basically works with language. Okay, and the language can be written or spoken. Okay. See, this is NLP, natural language processing. It basically deals with language, whether it is written or it is spoken. Okay. So we deal with languages, but exactly only language is not helpful. Suppose we are watching one video. If there is no audio, means there is no voice, then there is of no use. So the voice or the language, suppose we type something, we write something, so this NLP deals with it. Okay, but then without any picture, without any video, it becomes very boring, isn't it? You need pictures. So this picture is handled by computer vision. Anything that deals with images or pictures, write it down here. Images. Images. Images, like suppose we read something in X-ray. You remember I told you X-rays, which how AI helps in X-rays. Like if there is an AI bot is there, suppose an AI is there, so the AI will take the X-ray of the patient. Okay, X-ray. Do you remember what was X-ray? There were only pictures, right? Pictures of the body. Remember I showed you? Yes. So those are pictures only. So how does the AI knows whether the person has a disease or not through a picture? Through computer vision. Through what?
Computer.
Computer vision. Okay. Computer vision basically helps us in images, and these images the AI can detect supposedly an X-ray, and then it will tell us if there is a disease, yes, or there is no disease, no. Understood? So this is what exactly is there in entire AI. So we will cover each and everything and then we'll go in detail side by side. So now today I want you to do some practical. So we will learn more about NLP. Okay. So in NLP, ChatGPT is one of an example. Okay. Why ChatGPT is an NLP thing? Can you tell me?
Um, mm,
How ChatGPT comes in NLP? Think of what we use.
um, I don't know.
We use language, we write something, we get the answer.
Oh yeah.
That's why we use NLP. And you know what? We even use computer vision also. Can you tell me how? In ChatGPT, we have computer vision also. In ChatGPT, we can create images also. Okay. So today we are going to do the practical. So it will be very interesting. So now you will have an example, or you will use NLP and computer vision with your hands. Okay. So share your screen with me.
Like you want to go to ChatGPT?
Yes.
Mm,
First share your screen. I'll dictate you. The
oh,
green button.
yeah. Can you see?
Yes. Yes. You go to the last plus, go to the plus sign in the rightmost above.
Wait.
Go to above, yes, that plus one. Yes, yes, yes. Rightmost. No,
Oh,
not this.
here.
Yes, open a new tab. Okay. Here. Yes, very good.
Wait, let me just.
Search. No, no, that's there. It's there. Open that. Open that.
On this one?
Yes, open that. Okay. See, now I'm telling you one thing. In the down direction, in downward, where it's written ask anything. Can you see? Ask anything. This uses your voice.
Mm, wait, what? Where?
Go down.
Here.
Ask anything. Yes. Here you write your query. What you write? Your query. Or prompt. What we say? Prompt. Okay, what we say?
Prompt.
Huh. So in ChatGPT, we give prompt. We don't say question. We say prompt. Okay. So you type a prompt. Anything you write here. Ask anything.
Um,
Give a prompt.
don't know what to ask.
Anything you want to know. Right there. Anything you want to know. Anything in this world you want to know.
Um,
Anything you want to know, you ask. You are curious.
mm, I don't know.
Okay, right. You know art, na? You like art, right?
Yeah.
So write a prompt. Uh, who is the famous artist in the world? Question mark. Okay, and then you do arrow sign. That is called search.
This one?
Yes. See what it comes. What is the name?
I don't.
So the world's famous artist is Leonardo da Vinci. Okay. And his famous painting is Mona Lisa. The Last Supper. Okay. And then we have Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, Michelangelo. These are some of the famous artists in the world. Okay. See, now this is an example of NLP. What is an example of this?
Um,
That means you have written something in a language and the chat GPT is giving the answer in the written form. Okay. So you can use the voice. Click on that voice thing right in this bar. Scroll down. Yes, this one. Now you ask. Oh, okay.
It's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
what do I?
You have to log in first.
Oh.
You log in next time. Okay. Okay. Back to chat. Go to chat. Okay, so here you can use voice also. These are examples of NLP, like written as well as spoken. So next up, we want to know, can you give the prompt? Can you show me the picture of Mona Lisa? Let's see. You should be curious, right? Can you give me the picture? Show me the picture of Mona Lisa. Is there above written? See Mona Lisa. Let's see. See, it's searching the wave. Means it is searching the entire wave. See, you get the picture of Mona Lisa. Click on that picture. See, this is the painting of Leonardo da Vinci, Mona Lisa. So can you tell me what AI branch we have used now in this?
Natural language processing.
And for this picture?
Computer vision.
Very good. Very good. So here we have used natural language processing and computer vision. Okay, can you tell me where we have used natural language processing and where we have used computer vision in this task?
So we use natural language processing to ask the question, like to ask the prompt.
And then where in computer vision?
We use computer vision, like, because we said, can you show me a picture? So like, they showed us a picture, so that's.
So this picture is an example of
computer vision.
Very good, very good. So go back, go to the left arrow. Okay, you can cross it as well. Okay. See, here you have given a prompt. Can you show me the picture of Mona Lisa? So what it happens exactly is it will use NLP, means understand your language. Then it will search the wave. Search the wave means it will search all the information available in the internet. Web means internet, okay? So what I told you, it will use machine learning, where it will take all the information. So here machine learning is also happening, means it will take the NLP, means the language, it will understand, it will search the wave, Remember, I in the example of Facebook, what I told you, it will have all the information of 10,000 crore people, and then the machine learning will use it and give the recommendation. Recommendation means if you want to buy one dress, it will suggest five dresses, similar type of dresses. So here exactly machine learning has been used. Like you have written the given the prompt, it will understand the NLP, it will use machine learning and search the internet, and then it will give the result, the answer. In the answer, it has two types of things. One is, see here, the iconic Mona Lisa painted by Leonardo, this is written, so there it is also NLP, it is giving us answer also. And the picture of Mona Lisa itself is the computer vision. Understood? You can go downwards, go down. See, there are some. See, there are something. Wait, Louvre Museum in Paris. After that, there is something written in shortcut, right? In small letters, little bit lighter, blurry thing. Scroll up your. Take your mouse there. Displayed at Louvre Museum in first paragraph. And Italian. Okay, okay, go, yes. Open it. Click it. See, another page opens up. Okay, it is a Wikipedia page. It will also tell you from exactly where the information has been taken. Okay, so we can see advancements in machine learning. Not only it searches, it also give from where the search has came from. Okay, which source it is following. So here we use deep learning. What we use? What we use?
Like
Deep learning. Okay. See, everything is happening in simple chat GPT. What happens first? You give the prompt, that is NLP. You get the answer, that is also NLP. You get the picture, you get computer vision. Then it gives you the web search. It will search the internet. So searching is happening. It will use machine learning. It gives the result what he has searched, and also tell you from which sources it has taken the data, it has taken the information. So here it is using Wikipedia. So there is advancement in machine learning, so known as deep learning. Understood? So lot of things are happening in a simple single chatbot. Go
So
back to your chat GPT.
but why do they also give appearance?
Sorry.
What's this for?
This is the web page. This is the page of Wikipedia. Okay. So it is, you see, here you can use large icon, small. See, you do the large one, your text will increase. See, you do the small, your text reduce. If you use standard, and then if you widen up, it will widen up. Okay. Okay, it is not, okay, possible. You can do the dark theme. Go. Yes. It will come up in black color. Okay.
What's automatic?
Yes, you can use automatic. Automatic will be white. You can dark. You can also do the dark theme. Okay. So go to ChatGPT then.
Okay.
So now you understand what. Can you tell me how many branches we have used here? How many branches of AI has been used in this simple prompt in ChatGPT?
It's natural language processing.
Yes. Then
Computer
yes. Then
vision. There's
it searches
Mm.
and give the result. What it is called? Means the computer learns from lot of information, and then when we said what is the picture of Mona Lisa, from the information which he has learned, it will give the result. Similarly, like if I give 100 pictures of cats and dogs and I give one picture of cat or dog, or I can say give me the picture of cat, so from that information it will give one picture of cat. So what was the name of that AI branch?
Oh, like the name of the website?
No. The AI branch like NLP, computer vision, there were a lot of other branches. Now, which branch we have used for web searching and giving you this result?
Computer. I mean, computer vision.
Machine learning. Machine learning. Okay. See, simply what we understood is, suppose we have given 100 pictures of cat, 100 pictures of dog, and then the machine has all the information of 100 dogs and 100 cats. Then it is able to understand the whether it is a cat or a dog, any new dog or cat comes, or give me the picture of cat or dog, it will give the picture of the cat and dog because the machine has learned. So when you gave the prompt of can you show me the picture of Mona Lisa, so the machine has learned with lots of internet data. It has already learned it. So it knows what is the picture of Mona Lisa. It will search the wave, it will search the internet and then give you the picture of Mona Lisa. And also it has given you some descriptions also. Like here the iconic Mona Lisa painted. So that uses machine learning. And again, you have clicked a page and then another website opened up. So what exact technique was used? Which was advancement of machine learning?
Mm. Like, so the fourth one.
Yes, the fourth one. Which one? Today only I taught you this. Advancements of machine learning. You can look at your copy also.
Deep learning?
Yes, very good. So okay, stop sharing your screen. So your homework will be I think Monday we will meet, right? So you have 3-4 days. So your homework will be simply nothing but to use ChatGPT by yourself. Okay?
But tomorrow there's classes.
You only told that tomorrow you won't be available.
I'll ask my dad.
Okay, sure. So for Monday, okay, your task will be give a prompt to ChatGPT, get answer, okay, and then tell me which branches of AI have you found.
So it's give prompt to ChatGPT.
Any prompt you like, get the answer, what type of answer is coming, and which branches of AI you can see there. Okay, you have to tell me that.
Mm.
Understood? Very easy.
Only one? Only one?
Only one prompt.
Oh, okay.
Only one prompt.